So welcome back. So here we're at the KOA campground in Kentucky, Bowling Green.
Dad, do you have the key?
We have the, I guess, base cabin with AC. Oh, it's so nice in here. Got the bunk beds. Got the full bathroom.
Yeah, it's nice.
Shower.
It's very hot.
TV. Little kitchen over here. Kitchenette. Yep, got all this. It's like $100 for all this, so I feel like it's a pretty good deal. Definitely worth checking out. You get a pool and all the deluxe campground amenities. So, never stayed in one of these.
Show them outside.
You should probably book one. I mean, Cobra chickens are free. Got a little patio, grill, fire pit. Heck yeah, check them out, man.